Ladies and gentlemen, it's World Environment Day. आप सबको प्रकृति मुबारक हो. I don't know how many of you out here in this audience think about light बंद की है, पानी का नलका बंद किया है, गैस ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ कर रहे हैं. Does anyone here have this heart that beats for the environment? Put your hands up. I want to see them. Oh my God, that's a lot. I see the girls seem to be more conscious. The guys are like, who cares? But no, we do care, and I know you will care after this. क्योंकि it's funny, जब हम रेडियो पे होते हैं तो obviously कोई हमको देख नहीं सकता है. So we always make a joke about we can come in our shorts, in our pajamas, who cares? And we're talking fashion sustainability with some of the most fashionable women here, as you can see. But let me just introduce. We have somebody who actually does things in this. So one is talking and one is doing. And right from there, in the beautiful white dress and outfit, we have Hansa Nigam. Thank you for joining us from Virgio. That's actually proving to be a big name in sustainable fashion. Somebody who is synonymous with fashion herself. Nimrat, thank you so much for being with us today. And Ridhima, to bhai, jiske pehle show ka naam hi Rajnikant ho, is there anything that this woman can't do? But I will start, if you don't mind, I will start with you, Nimrat. जब हम सोचते हैं कि हम sustainable रहे और आप तो fashion में हो, impossible लगता है हमें ये, okay? It's somebody would think it's a joke, this panel. But I'm so proud that Bollywood Hungama has managed to get two fashionable women here and a fashion brand. आपके life में, what are you doing with your clothes? Do you ever think about that landfill? Because I believe 92 million tons, that's the amount of cloth, waste that we generate in the world. You want to tell us?
So for me, you know how there's no space in Bombay, guys? Yeah, there's no space to breathe. So I live in a 3 BHK, out of which one of my rooms has been converted into a wardrobe. No. And that's, I'll tell you why. Because I'm a hoarder. And every time I feel like I need to let go of things, and it's not like I don't, like I do donate. Yeah. But there are moments, like I have outfits lying in my wardrobe. I'm not kidding, a pair of jeans, a couple of skirts that still very much exist from my time when I was in the 6th standard.
Wow.
So why I'm a hoarder is because I realize that for actors, every time I have to go audition, for instance, something or the other comes in handy, and which is why I feel like I don't want to let go. And in the last few years, I've realized, like if you ask me, if someone just tells me, ki, hey, aaj screening hai yaar, aa jana, I don't have clothes that I can probably wear at a red carpet. I need to know beforehand because I've become so dependent on my stylist. And I prefer that because I don't want to unnecessarily keep buying. And especially in our profession where we are being judged for repeating our outfits. Like, I think up until recently only, a couple of months back, I ended up repeating one of the outfits that I wore for Miss India during my pageant. Wow. So even like 6 years later, I'm still wearing that. I'm still going out. So I do make those choices for myself. Some people choose to appreciate it. Some people also are like, oh my God, she's repeating her outfit. But yeah, why shouldn't we? So these are the little things that I feel that I've tried to incorporate in my life.
So good. How many of us here are online shopaholics? Boys? No boy shops? Thank you. Thank you for having some representation. I thought only us women are, but we are actually contributing to economy in many ways because we are such shoppers. Do you ever fall prey to that? And you have a huge following, Ridhima, and I know online जब आप जाते हो, गए तो थे कुछ और काम से, लेकिन कर रहे हो कुछ और. मैंने तो कितनी बार shopping bag में चीजें डाली हैं and then not bought it also. So I don't know if this is happening with you.
No, during this conversation, I'm realizing मेरे cart में कुछ चीजें हैं. But मैं सच कहूँ तो I miss the days where I could personally just go see, pick up the clothes. एक कंफर्ट की बात हो गई है कि घर पे बैठ के ही हम शॉप कर रहे हैं, बट मुझे लग रहा है उससे हम बहुत अननेसेसरी शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं. क्या होता है कि जब हम पर्सनली देखते हैं कि वो रैक पे कैसा है, हमारे बॉडी पे कैसा है, वी डोंट लैंड अप बाइंग थिंग्स विच वी डोंट नीड. हियर व्हेन वी आर सिटिंग एट होम एंड नाउ दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सस्टेनेबिलिटी इन फैशन, what is happening is that we are ordering these things, then we don't like it, then we send it back. The carbon footprint is going up by, like, it's just hitting
multiplying,
the roof.
Yeah.
So we are not thinking of all of this because everything is at the convenience of our fingertips. And to be realistic, without naming brands, there are so many brands who are doing fast fashion, which we have all fallen prey to, and we continue buying. So fashion no more is just about, you know, feeling good, but it's also about doing good. I personally feel we all need to be responsible. There are brands, very well-known brands, which I'm sure half of you are wearing. I must have worn at some point. And those clothes you wear once, it just looks good on the rack. By the time you give it for a wash, it's completely gone. We never end up wearing it.
एक ही use में, एक wash में, basically.
हुआ है मेरे साथ ऐसे. और मुझे तो guilty feel होता ही है, but at the same time क्या करें? These are big, reputable brands with no responsibility.
I want to come to you, Hansa, quickly. They say that जब आप बहुत expensive चीजें खरीदते हो, I'll just extend it to a bag, for instance. A lot of people say, आप 10 बैग खरीदो जो you know false leather का बना हुआ है, फिर उसमें जब cracks आ जाते हैं, you'll throw it and again you'll buy another one. You'd rather invest in something that's expensive, but it'll last you maybe for 6 years. But then again, the one who can afford the expensive one, why would they take just one bag, right? So here's my question to you.
Yeah.
कपड़े भी ऐसी ही चीज़ है, कपड़ा भी ऐसी ही चीज़ है कि अच्छा, if it's going to shine forever and ever, as opposed to what Ridhima is saying, you can't keep wearing the same thing. So where does Virgio come in and what does it preach? कि आप यही एक ही कपड़ा पहनो?
Not really. So actually आपने बहुत अच्छा point उठाया. We have a concept called cost per wear. So every outfit that we have on our page, जब आप shop करते हैं, तो you can see कि इसका cost per wear कितना होगा. So we give you a breakdown of अगर आप इसको इतनी बार wash करोगे, इतनी बार पहनोगे, the math comes down to be very, very affordable, and it's a new thing that we've just launched. What Virgio is trying to do is, see, we have such social lives, right? We have to meet friends, हमें college जाना है, we have work, we have gatherings to attend.
Yeah.
So we can't change our lifestyle. It's not like we will stop looking good. What we can do as a brand is make the process sustainable. Yeah. So हम पूरा end-to-end process को sustainable कर देते हैं. The fabrics that we choose are eco-friendly. The partners that we work with, वो ethical होते हैं, उनके fair wages होते हैं. These are onuses on the brand. This is not an onus on the customer. Customers को choose करने का मौका मिलना चाहिए. Trendy clothes, like this is sustainable. I can wear it at this green couch. I can wear something formal from Virgio. So it serves all occasions, so that the customers are informed कि मैं जो खरीद रही हूँ उसका कितना longevity है, कितने time तक use हो सकता है, कितनी quality अच्छी है, and then you take a call that you want to buy it or not, and then we have post cycle. Again, you can recycle those clothes because ये सब natural material है, so it gets recycled. We also use recycled polyester, which is recycling plastic into clothes. So there's a lot of back-end work that the brand is doing, Virgio is doing, so that the customers can stay as is. They can choose trendy fashion, great fashion without any guilt.
But there is longevity in the clothing that you're making, because if you're using polyester, it's not going to be short-lived. It's going to live.
Recycled polyester is a very small part of our collection. हम ज़्यादातर natural materials use करते हैं, so cotton, linens. They get better with time. अगर आप अपने घर में देखो, our moms, our grandmoms used to love cotton sarees.
बिल्कुल.
Linen was so aesthetic, and in households जहाँ पे people had great fashion sense. So now we're getting all of that back, but making it sustainable.
If I had to demarcate for Virgio, because there's something called as smart fashion and then there's fast fashion. What's the difference?
Fast fashion is something that we all love because great trendy fashion, cheap, right? कभी भी खरीद सकते हैं. You can wear it once, go to college, go to work, and then toss it off. Smart fashion is when you buy trendy stuff that also lasts. Also, we're a fashion tech company. So back in our founder, Amar Nagram, he's a technologist. So all of this is happening because of technology.
And what we saw at Google recently, where we can try those clothes on virtually, that's going to happen too at Virgio?
Absolutely.
Okay, guys, you have
We're solving a bigger problem with tech, what you mentioned, the 92 tons of waste that's going out. We're going to a zero inventory model. मतलब जब कोई shop करेगा, तब हम उसे बनाएंगे. So हमारे पास factories हैं, partners हैं who can serve it. So technology helps us speed in that process and also make it sustainable.
That's fantastic. Kyunki there is some piece of clothing that some of us never let go of. It's there forever, and you said you had those pair of jeans. Ridhima, what is it in your cupboard that you've not let go of? I want to know exactly.
I was waiting for this question. For me, it's a denim jacket.
Achha.
And it's a miracle only that I still fit into it.
नहीं, कभी-कभी क्या होता है जब अगर टाइट भी हो गया तो अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि डेनिम जैकेट आर गोइंग फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर टू हियर.
आई एग्री. सो उस वक्त तो वो ओवरसाइज था मेरे लिए जब मैं कॉलेज के फर्स्ट ईयर में आई थी. इट वाज अ गिफ्ट टू मी बाय माय कजिन एंड उन्होंने मुझे ये दिया था.
Are you sure he was your cousin?
So I remember wearing that to my college and being the coolest kid back in the day. And it holds that sentiment value, one, because of course it's a gift. Second, it just never went out of fashion.
Wow.
It still will match the look. I mean, I wish I had a picture of it. So yeah, the sentiments हर एक piece के साथ होते हैं.
Yeah.
But अगर मैं true sentiments की बात करूँ, so for me, those are my mother's saris.
Wow.
And I don't have the heart to change it into a top or a dress or a skirt. You know, some of them have got stains now just by being there. But I still hold it very close to my heart. So pieces of clothing are definitely very, very special.
I just want somebody from the organizing team to hold on to a mic. I'd love to ask the audience, अगर sustainable fashion की बात करें, so I like the way Hansa said that sometimes you probably invest in a jacket, which you've worn forever and you've worn it differently. Sometimes shorts के साथ, jeans के साथ. Can anybody here be a volunteer and be kind to tell us आप कैसे sustainable fashion use कर रहे हो? Since you're the young minds here and we'd love to hear from you. Can anybody tell us? Oh, lovely. I have an audience there. Can we just quickly have
Very interactive audience, huh? Hello, good morning.
Hi. Firstly, it's a guy.
Hi, this is Krundu Singh. So, according to the question, my sister is a fashion designer, so she's a student. She always have this scrap material and things, and she doesn't use it anymore. So what I do, that any of my brother's t-shirt I have, I take that and customize something on it and give it to someone.
Good. Oh my God, can we clap for that? That is amazing. Actually, बचे हुए कपड़ों को जोड़कर जो अभी आजकल बहुत सारे लोग quilts बना रहे हैं, and they're actually managing to make even skirts and jackets. Would you like to comment on that?
Yeah, upcycling is a great concept. I think personally, हम लोग जो कर सकते हैं वो है use something that's old but make it funkier, better.
Yeah.
So kudos to you.
Also, not throwing stuff, and this is because of the landfills, right? How many of you have heard of Recircle? Anybody heard of Recircle? So they actually take clothes, recircle.in, check them out on Instagram. They actually take clothes and create energy out of it, power. It's amazing. We chanced upon them 2 years ago, and at Radio City, we do a lot of activities with them. दिवाली में हमने जाके बहुत सारे लोगों के घरों से कपड़ों से लेके कोई भी चीज़ actually वो कोई भी item लेके उठा के लेके जाते हैं free of cost. Look them up. I also bring them in here because at some level, as fashionistas, you need to be upgraded and you need to be wearing what's trendy. So are you open to, like you said, a stylist, of course, but अगर आपको कोई कहे भाई हमारा store thrift store है, आप यहाँ से खरीदो, या if somebody told you कि why don't you hire your clothes, would you be open to that?
You wouldn't believe it. When I wrapped up my first television show, I wasn't big enough, you know. And I think COVID का time था, and obviously I think हम सबको there was a lot of time to reflect on our lifestyle choices. And I remember मैंने अपनी डायरी में एक लिस्ट बनाई थी of all the brands that are sustainable. And I personally reached out to them, DM'd them, कि hey, you know, I want to make these choices, and I feel that I am someone who is upcoming and I have a platform and people associate with me, and I want to make that a choice for myself. So let's collaborate. So अगर मुझे life में कभी भी मौका मिलता है, you know, so I'm happily, you know, I'm going to say a yes.
Wow, that's fabulous. How about you? Like, do you put your clothes every day for wash? क्योंकि एक washing of clothes भी एक sustainability choice है, क्योंकि after all जो भी हम लोग actually washing materials use करते हैं, especially you know the soaps are very very detrimental to the ocean. So आप वो सोचते हो कि do you बेधड़क?
Well, unfortunately हमारा weather permit नहीं करता कि हम
She's being honest.
सोचे इस बारे में, but jeans is one thing which I take my time in washing because they say no, jeans जितनी ज़्यादा मैली उतनी अच्छी लगती है. So उसमें मैं थोड़ी कंजूसी कर सकती हूँ, but वो भी अभी क्या हो गया है guys, and please tell me if I'm wrong, सारे jeans यार आजकल fashion में वही है जो नीचे अपने पैरों के भी नीचे जा रहे हैं. तो यार मतलब वो तो धोने डालने पड़ते ही हैं. So I have reached that point where I have to. But for example, when I'm staying in hotels, for my shoots or my events, I specifically place that card that says do not wash it because I'm the only one who's used it. So I might as well, you know.
Good one, Ridhima. Awesome.
Be it towels, everything.
Yes.
So I try and do my bit.
Lovely. I'm going to do a quick rapid fire, guys. Are you ready? Sustainable fashion is boring. Is that a myth or it's a mood?
I think Hansa has the right answer.
Yeah,
for this.
actually.
Everyone needs to check out Virgio.com and then decide. But it's not boring.
I agree, not boring.
Not boring?
Not boring at all.
Because you have to be creative and mix and match and do your thing on it, yeah?
Yeah, it's harder to create.
Yeah, exactly. You can't repeat outfits if you're in the spotlight, and obviously this is for you two women here. Myth or mood?
Myth, I do it all the time.
And
I
you
love
don't
it.
care about the backlash
Nah.
from your followers?
We're so used to backlash anyway.
But yeah, but there is Insta and there is all these fashion policing and, you know.
I don't know, I think बहुत हद तक लोगों का opinion तब matter करता है जब आप अंदर से खोखले होते हैं. When you're very self-assured as a person,
Yeah.
then beyond a point, certain opinions don't matter.
Super.
It's a rapid fire, but I won't take much time. I'll just say that you all know the secret. All the clothes that most of the celebrities wear, they are all sourced, they are rented.
Nice.
So I think we're doing our bit when it comes to that. But what I'm wearing today is my own.
I sourced mine.
But listen, this is great to have. You can wear this in so many different ways, है ना? Indian fashion has always been sustainable. Is it a mood or myth? And I want to say to everybody here, this sari has been gifted to me by a listener from radio, and I cannot thank her enough because my eyes is always on something like this. And I know saris are forever, according to me, and I love what you said about the saris in your closet. Quickly tell me about this.
Definitely sustainable, and Indian clothes hold a lot of culture and emotions.
Nice.
Yeah, like it is sustainable. No wonder, like my mom only wears saris, only saris,
Yeah.
and she keeps repeating them. And I know
And
I'm
they
going to
look
get all of them.
Yeah, I think our moms are champions of sustainability. मतलब beyond saris also वो डब्बे जिसमें कुकी आती थी फिर उसमें धागे वो पड़ गए हैं reuse
सारे डब्बे संभालना
कोई डब्बा नहीं छूटता है to repackage or reuse it for anything. So I think Indian households are sustainable champs
From forever.
forever.
Did you guys watch Alia Bhatt when she had gone in her wedding sari to pick up her national award? How many of you watched it?
Yes.
That's a lot of you. How proud of you? And if you're really proud of her, then just say, yay, come on.
Yeah.
That's a lot of pride for us to be able to, like, exactly the answer to this question. If there is a last parting thought, because it's World Environment Day, I think I'm going to move a little away from fashion now and quickly ask you, what's the #1 tip for you that you use? जैसे मैं अभी भी बाल्टी में स्नान करती हूँ, I know snan and balti sounds very like LS to a lot of people, but I'm like, dude, I don't do the shower business every day. It wastes too much water. You want to tell me?
I think I would go with the same answer
Yeah.
because I'm also very, very conscious about that. Though a shower is very relaxing, using a bucket definitely helps.
I think for me it's a very weird habit. जब तक मैं गर्मी में मरती नहीं हूँ तब तक मैं AC नहीं चलाती हूँ. And it's
So
only
nice.
because
Wow.
I don't know. I just thank you. But yeah, I'm like, and so many times I'm like, 3 AC है घर में यार, and I'm like, नहीं अभी, you know. So I think just those little things.
She's preparing for the future where it's going to be 55 degrees at some point.
I think sustainability is something that should be a lifestyle. It's not something जो आज कर लिया कल नहीं करा. It's a mindset. आप अगर छोटी-छोटी चीज़ों में choices change कर दोगे, you're already sustainable. It's not as heavy. इतना unapproachable बना दिया हमने इसको सोच के कि ये तो unapproachable है, somebody else will do it. But हमारे घरों में होता है, हमारी life में बहुत easily incorporate हो सकता है, using lesser water, using better clothes, all of that. So
In fact, just adding to what Hansa said, like मुझे लगता है एक और चीज़ भी होती है यार, लोग बहुत moral policing करते हैं. अभी none of us are perfect, right? अगर हम 4 चीज़ें भी कर रहे हैं, that's okay, you know. You can't always be like कि हाँ पर तुमने तो ये भी किया था, you know. Just let's just
Calm
do
down.
whatever we can at a very achievable pace.
Absolutely. So everybody can do their bits in whatever capacity
Yeah.
you can do it. But you know, I work
Your
at a
version of it.
Yeah, I work at a radio station, and when I have to leave my studio, I switch off all the lights because I'm like, boss, इसके 2 इतने बड़े screen है, उसकी light आ रही है, हमारी equipment की light आ रही है. There's enough in the room, and who's coming in and studying for their, you know, SATs or exams?
No, but one last thing I would like to add, the use of Chat GPT that we all have been doing, I'm guilty as well. But at least I was mindful about not using it for frivolous things.
Yeah.
Because if you do in-depth research, it's crazy amount
of water.
Yeah,
that's
so
getting
please
wasted.
be mindful about it.
So glad, Ridhima. Thank you, Nimit, and thank you so much, Hansa,
Thank you so
Virgil,
much.
at the brim of it. Thank you, audience. You've been lovely and very kind. Happy World Environment Day, and I hope this conversation has some take-backs. I want that list of sustainable places. I want you to share it with me on my DM. Thank you, everybody.
Please,